Hello peeps, I'm Monkey, and we are playing White Noise Online. After the disappearance of several people under mysterious circumstances around Europe, the only clue that each of these cases have in common are mysterious tape recorders scattered close to the last place where the victims are placed alive. Those tapes are only contain illegible noise, but who knows what message is buried in the flabacha? Okay, we played this game a while ago, and I was like, I haven't played this game, and I'll make a part 2. Easily. So I want to be a chick this time. I want to be a chick. Okay. So find all the tape recorders. I can toy. And what's the run? Okay. Why my girl sound like a man? What the fuck was that? TJ?
What?
Say hello.
Hello.
Louder.
Hello.
You're supposed to go, hello! But it's hello. Say hello.
Hello.
What's this? Look what I have found. I have found something.
A windmill. Yeah, probably has
I have found something.
a tape recorder in it.
Will I die? Whoa, man. Can I go in here? I can't go in here? I can't go in here, but I can search around. Okay.
And another one. And another one.
Yes. Good. What the hell's happening there? So I guess their tape recorders are attached to these walls. I am specifically guessing, because I don't really know. Like, those stars are beautiful, but what in the fuck? What in the fuck is that? Go run. Run, that scared the shit out of me. I'm getting the nipples. I'm getting the nipples. I'm closing my eyes. TJ, it's okay to look now. You got my pencil like sticking out of the little.
What?
It's okay to look now. Shit, he's right there. He's right there. He's right there. Oh my god. I'm scared shitless. Run, you fucking bitch. Run. I'm not looking. I'm gonna get like. I'm not gonna.
It's a scary game too.
No, I know. I'm just gonna run now. I'm just not gonna look.
There's more windmills.
Okay.
You found?
I hope so. I hope so. Willow, can you like I'm like my nipples are like puffing out. Oh, turn it. I'm just closing my eyes.
Whoa, quit that. You scared me.
She's a bitch.
Oh my god. The door just scared me too.
Jesus, call up Jamal Rija.
Close your eyes.
Fuck. Run. Run, you freaking stupid asshole. Run, run. Run as fast as you can. You're so slow. You're going 1 mile per hour. Holy shit. God. Hoes ain't loyal. Remember that. Remember that. Hoes ain't loyal. I don't even know why I'm going to the location where he was. I'm afraid he's gonna like spawn right from the screen.
Going towards him.
Shit, am I?
Yep.
Well, I'm running. Turn off the flashlight. Here, I'll hop behind this tree. Tree, help me. If you love me, tree, you'd always be here for me. You would always be here for me. The monster looks fucking plastic though. Look like he's getting like robotic or something like that. Cool, spiderwebs. Spiderwebs. I never seen spiderwebs. Man, I never seen spiderwebs in like so long. It was like I don't know how
Yeah,
long.
you have. You seen some out our window from George.
Yeah, my little pet spider. Uh-oh. I'm afraid going there. Shit. Okay, we're gonna...
Tape recorder is in there.
Right there. This is the end of the video, guys. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you guys didn't like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. See ya!